Welcome to algofi.ai, your gateway to safe and smart AI-powered trading. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to connect your wallet in just a few simple steps. Open your browser and go to www.algofi.ai. Click the Connect Wallet button at the top right corner. A pop-up will appear. Pick the wallet you use, like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Wallet Connect, and many more. Your wallet will now ask you to approve the connection. Click Connect, then sign in and hit Confirm to prove that the wallet belongs to you. This is totally safe. It simply links your wallet to algofi without giving access to your funds. After you confirm, a message will pop up saying your wallet connected successfully. You'll also see your wallet address at the top of the screen. That means your wallet is now connected, and now you can start using algofi and let the AI do the hard work for you. Got questions? Our support team is always ready to help. Start trading the smart and easy way with algofi.ai.